Are you for real though?
Got the cooling bucket. Gotta keep the beers cool somehow. There's no stream up here, that's anything, see? We're heading to our favourite spot, Irvine. You're in our spot! How's it going? Yes, we got the gang with us today. I've come the other side of the fence, so I can have my own little sanctuary. I got a new tent. You can either use it with trekking poles or hang it from a tree. So I think I'm going to use these couple of trees here. And it's black. I've never seen a black tent before. Should be good. Right, let's get it out, have a look. Whitehills sent me a tent to try out. Plenty of space. Bivvy bag in case I'm cold. Because I brought the summer bag. I don't know if it's going to be enough. So I forgot my sleeping bag now. It's in there. Right. Little air bed I got. Beavertown Gammaree, Shipyard Pale Ale, Kingslayer Double IPA, and that's a new one I saw. Collaboration with Stigberguts, Eternal Haze. First time on the summer bag this year. Right, he's got a new tent as well. Let's go and check this out. The Pretents. Looks smart.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, to be honest.
Yeah, that's good, man. I've seen these on the Lanchan, Dynema sort of thing, are they?
X-Pack or something, that's for strength, isn't it?
Yeah, that's way better guidelines than mine. Quality ones there, aren't they?
That's got a seam, see that though?
What's the headroom like when you're lying down?
Should be like that.
Yes. Double pillows.
That's plenty though.
Yeah. That's right. Soloist.
Big porch on it, mate.
That's light as hell, that is, mate, isn't it? For the space you get.
Oh yeah. They come with dark pegs as well. One missing one then.
Dak.
Jackaroo.
Pot noodle for dinner.
Pot noodle?
Pot noodle. Wood is building up on our fire.
Yep.
The boys are chilling. Go on YouTube, you alright? be on YouTube tomorrow night. What do you think about that?
I've been on YouTube.
You have, yeah.
Am I allowed to do it when I know?
No.
See who's starting out?
I know. It's a thing. It's a thing only.
It's not good for you.
Smoking,
It's not
you've
good.
got to use it. That's all.
It helps you give up smoking,
Yeah.
that's what it's for.
It's a meal yet, babe. So you're gonna have food first.
I knew she was going to get him. I'm going to go get something.
Marshmallows, is it?
I did well. Just have two. Have smell it.
Yeah.
My ones are like.
Roasting his shoes, yes, for breakfast.
Stick a marshmallow on my toe and I'll put it in the fire.
Me and Nathan are going for a little stroll. I think I spotted something on the map. It was me that found it, it wasn't Drufus at all. Well, if we find it first, it's our claim now, isn't it?
Yep.
There's a little valley coming up down by Google Maps. It looks like it's some good camping spots. That could be one for next time. Yeah, it's not any picturesque, apart from that pipe in the background, mind. That doesn't look too nice. Some flat bits here though.
Oh well, it's a good spot for you in mind, isn't it?
You know, some people have suggested we go to pick this guy up. But all we do, we go up the mountains, we start blaring some Tupac, he just appears out of the woods. There's the gringos. Look at that red tent. My tent is behind them somewhere. This one does stand out a bit, doesn't it?
Hello, campers. Hello, campers.
How's it go, boy? Dun, 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 dun. Come on, boy. Whoosh. Nathan stood on the tent. Shows how solid the Eurite tents are, mind? Don't know until you look in there though.
No.
Bosh.
That was the closest thing ever to it.
Silence for the jack and potato. It's mad, isn't it? Oh, that's the one.
It's not a
There's cheese as well.
Look at that.
You got cheese there?
Wow, we.
Has he got cheese? Of course he's got cheese.
I've got cheese.
He's got mature cheese.
Oh, bag full.
Cheesy.
Look at Andrew. Put a load.
Look at that.
Yeah. King Farouk, man.
That is proper camp meal.
Go do, you know what I mean? But if it was anybody
Do you
else,
like
I think
to-
I would be like,
Very
Want
nice.
cheese on yours, huh? Right. Go on, then.
Last jacket's on the way. He should be an expert by now.
there we are, Harry.
Burnt. People don't eat the outside, eat the inside.
Yeah, eat the
What do you
inside,
say?
leave the skin.
It's burnt.
Burnt, it adds flavour, man.
Nice base. Yeah, competition earlier, the Yeeha something, is that?
Oh, come on.
Go on then.
Yeehaw! You do it.
Nice. Who's next?
Yeehaw! There we go.
Come on, you can do
There
it.
we go. Yeehaw. Let me do it again.
Oh, I got it. There it is.
Mexicana cheese. Doing hot dogs.
Some sort of sausage. Pork, maple, and bacon hot dogs.
Nathan's got a giant steak as usual.
Oh, yeah.
Biggest steak you've ever seen. What culinary would you like if you got to go on top of this?
Tomato sauce.
Fines.
That's going to give you dislikes on your video. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Nice.
I am the mighty
Nathan.
Ginger
Ninja!
Didn't do nothing to it.
Oh.
No.
This is little Jack cooking his tea. What's it? What's it looking like, Jack? Huh?
Apple pie with marshmallows.
Sweet little piggy.
You never seen that before? Pretty warm in the summer bag. Towards the end of the night I had to get my down jacket on. Apart from that, it was fine. Coffee on. Let's go.